Hi guys, it's your girl Mimi, Mimi, and it's a period. So guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and share our videos and like. Guys, you can't imagine what I'm bringing to you this morning. This is huge. Yeah. Okay, guys, that being said, this is my mashed potato. This is my Irish potato, well cooked, and I'm going to match it, of course. And these are my corned beef, yeah. And this green beans, my spring onions, and my salad leaf, my eggs, and tomato, and then beef, fried beef, onions, green pepper, and my carrots, and some garden egg in it here mixed together. And here I have my cabbage. And here, what do I have here? I have my milk and flour here. This is milk and flour. There is a lot of it. This is going to be used for the match here. So I'm going to show you guys the process anyways. So guys, don't forget to watch this video to the end. If you want to eat and enjoy such a good meal like this, just watch this video to the end and you're not going to regret doing that. Okay guys, let's go straight to the cooking part. Okay. Before I forget, like, share and subscribe. My viewers, my subscribers, don't forget, Mimi loves you so much. And thank you for all your support. We are going. We are moving. So guys, I just add my pepper. While you're making this, make sure this is very, very crunchy, like half done. It has to be half done, okay guys? It has to be half done. Half done, so crunchy. So guys, moving on to the cooked Irish. So I have to match it. I match it real hard. I have to match this real good. And this is the milk. I have to use powder milk because of the flour and the flour. Yeah, and then I'll have to mix it together too. I have to mix it together and see if it's enough of what next I should add. Guys, believe me, when you make this in your home, for your kids and for yourself and for your family, you will understand what Mimi is made of. Okay? Okay? So guys, I'm going to let my egg in now. Usually I'm supposed to use 1 egg, just 1 egg, but this quantity is kind of a bit, yeah, the quantity I'm using is plenty, so I have to use 2 eggs. Mix it. I have to use 2 eggs. Let's see how this goes in the mix. So guys, this is how far I've gone with the mix. Let me add a little of this again and mix it. Using this, I'm using fire so that anybody, so you don't think, oh, I can't do this because I don't have microwave. You can do it with your gas. You can make it, okay? So guys, you can see how it looks. I'm very sure this will be so yummy. Oh my gosh. I'm sure. Let me have a cut. Let me have a cut. It's still very hot. And the moment from now is just gonna be thick and strong, you know? Oh, I said it. What the heck? What? No. Guys, no. What? I'm so proud of myself right now. Guys, please like, share, subscribe. Don't forget that I love you. Thank you so much for always watching my video. Thank you. And if this is your first time of coming across my video, you're highly welcome. Okay.